Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so we've got a new toy. It's a Sunshine LCD screen separator. I took thermal camera to see how quickly we can go from 0 to hero. Just let me quickly show you here. I paid $26.11 for it, yes. So you can see Sunshine LS3 Mini. I hope it's not too many. If I can do like foam on it, then that's okay. But I don't want to use hot air station. I thought I can use this. It was looking like it should do, nothing else in the box. So, okay, there's a hope in this madness. Of course, you've got beautiful LCD screen separator LS3 or any in Chinese, like unbelievable. I've got it in the Chinese. Wow. Okay, so it's 110 220 volts, so either or, 60-50 hertz, either or, current 1 ampere, believe it or not, and 120 watts, so that contradicts itself, but okay, no problem. So it's, let's say, current up to half a watt. Maybe peak can reach up to 1 ampere. So the product size is in millimeters, is 147 by 285 by 34. And packaging side we don't care. Now connect the power cord, turn on power switch, set the working temperature to 80 degrees. You see, even tell you to 80 degrees. Put the iPad to be dismantled on the heating pad to heat it. Use the suction cup to suck the iPad screen. Okay, well, I don't think I'll be using any iPads for now. And you've got certificate, lovely Chinese certificate. We've got this cable. Okay, so that's European standard IC, whatever, 7.5, I don't remember this, but you know which one it is, yes? We don't need that one, actually, we can use our one. So that's it, that's everything. Ooh, okay. So you've got the heating element here. Okay, then this heating element is inside this membrane. So when I touch this, it's about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. When I touch this, ooh, you can see the difference. So this single layer is thicker than this. Maybe not like that, but somewhere in between of this thin and this thicker. So this is, oh, this lady hide. And then you've got insert here for the cable, power switch, and you've got 220 volts. So that's for the voltage only 220. That's not 110 and 220. Okay, or 120. LS3 Mini. Okay, so I would say that let's switch this on. Come on. Okay, and let's get a cable here. Is a cable. Let's put it on. Why it's so... Okay, so 0, okay. Thermal camera is on. We got it on. And what do we have? We've got 23 degrees. Let's switch it on. That's set to 120. Okay, how it's going? 25. Oh, here is the most. Here, this section is the most. 32, 120. And what about corners? No, 37 only. So it's, because it's not flat, guys. 40 degrees. Okay. So we need to press and hold. but it's still, it's 46, 45. I will do like that. So it's 50. I can still hold the hand. Yes. 54, 50, 55, 56. So it's growing. It's growing. It's not awesome, but it's growing. Oh, now it's getting hotter. 62. So my thermal camera's showing up to 65, 66 now. Yes, it's becoming not desirably hot. Now this is 70 is showing. Okay, I'll switch it down to, I cannot do anything. Okay, okay, so I can. Now I can do that 100, that's 80. They want it. Okay, so I want to see, because now it's 85 showing. It's dropping. It's not rapid drop or anything, but it's showing 92 degrees here. Ow! Okay, okay, it's warm. You see how long it took. You can check on the video on the minutes. I don't, but it's okay. So it's 98, 97, 99. Yes, when I touch it, it's hot. So 109 is showing, 108. Now I cannot cool it off, you know, like it's showing 80. Still 111 showing. Guys, this is 110, 111, 112. It's not, ouch, it's not going, you know, to 80 easily. 102, 111 still. Okay, so you know what? This is 111, so doesn't go beyond 111, but still, you know, it's super hot. I would say let's go down. Let's switch it off completely. I switched it off. And how quickly it will cool off. We've got 7 minutes of the recording. So we've got 107, 106 Celsius, yes, yes. 104 here. 101. Oof. And over there, oh, 96, 93 on this side, and it won't show us. Yeah, 99 and 100 in one place showing. So due to the silicone, it doesn't let go the heat so much. So 89, 90 degrees zones are here. 90. And even after this time 95. Okay, so it does cool off, but it just that it takes some time. But I can tell you I wouldn't trust it, okay? I wouldn't trust it now for 80 or auto shutdown. I don't. So to sum up, it's heating up quite okay. I can say I will try to replace my hotter, yes, because I was using hotter, whereas this surface is quite okay. You've got comparison here, Samsung S22 here, yes, the smaller one, and this one is Oppo, yes, larger Oppo. Some, you know, so this versus this, or this versus this. This Samsung can go like that. You could do two Samsung simultaneously, even three. Whereas this one has to go this way, yes. So yes, I would say 10-inch tablet, sorry, 10-inch tablet. I got, that's that's a 12-inch surface, okay, from our commercial contract. Look, that's here. So that's the surface. So if you've got 12-inch, definitely not. Up to 10-inch, 10 inch is okay. But you can do always top, then do the bottom, so it's not a problem. So for less than 30 pounds, this is a quite of a nice tool. I'm surprised that it's okay. I thought I'll be buying the bigger one, and I see no point. For me, in person, it's no point. My technicians are the ones who are dealing with them. So this is more of like an addition for me here when either the technician is on the sick, on the holiday, just off, or I have to do quick check. Yes, then it's fine. It's foldable, which is handy, but I won't be folded it probably. That's all I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, by all means do ask. I might answer underneath. It's a good purchase, at least for now. Thermal camera show it. My one is 256 by 192, so the resolution is not too bad. And I can say that I don't have regrets of buying it at the moment. And yeah, if I'll see anything abnormal after some time of using it, I can record episode number 2 about it. But for now, I'm happy that I bought it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.